Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a forest hunting game. First, you'll want to select your primary hunting weapon, perhaps a powerful rifle or a silent bow, depending on your preferred style. Next, choose your starting location within the vast forest, keeping an eye on the terrain. Remember to equip vital gear like binoculars for spotting distant prey and a reliable map to navigate the wilderness. Your main goal is to successfully track and hunt various animals, earning points and progressing through challenges. Once you're in the forest, effective tracking is key to success. Begin by carefully examining the ground for fresh animal tracks, droppings, or any signs of disturbed foliage. Utilize your binoculars to thoroughly scan the distant tree lines and open clearings for any subtle movements. It's crucial to move with extreme caution, taking slow, deliberate steps to minimize noise. Always try to position yourself downwind from your target. This prevents your scent from alerting the animals to your presence. When you've successfully stalked your prey, it's time to prepare for the shot. Find a stable position, perhaps kneeling behind a fallen log or lying prone, to ensure maximum accuracy. Carefully adjust your aim, considering factors like wind speed and the distance to your target, which can significantly affect bullet trajectory. For an ethical and effective hunt, always aim for vital areas such as the heart or lungs. A well-placed shot ensures a swift and humane outcome. After a successful shot, carefully approach the downed animal to confirm it's no longer a threat. Once confirmed, you can collect your well-earned trophy or any valuable resources the game allows, fulfilling your mission objectives. The game will then typically provide a detailed summary of your hunting performance, including accuracy and ethical score. Use the points or currency you've accumulated to upgrade your equipment, unlock more challenging hunting grounds, or acquire new weapons for future expeditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.